Next, climb aboard for a mission with Little Einstein. Then after, it's time to bop with the Doodle Bop. Imagine and learn here inside Playhouse Disney. Next, it's a full hour of dancing. First, bop with the Doodle Bops. Then after, move and groove with JoJo's Circus. Dance along with your friends here inside Playhouse Disney. Next, spend some time with JoJo and her pet lion Goliath in JoJo's Circus. Then after, visit with Charlie and Lola. See your friends here inside Playhouse Disney. Next, Stanley stars in his very own movie. It's Stanley's Dinosaur Roundup, part of Movie Time Monday. Imagine and learn here inside Playhouse Disney.